Hey love, and welcome back to another video. Okay, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to know your skin type. At the end of this video I'm going to tell you the reason why you should know your skin type. Okay, so if you want to know your skin type, first of all you need to cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. Okay, you can get a cleanser, this one, face fat facial cleanser. This is hydrating gentle cleanser. I'm going to be putting the names of these products because the other video that I posted, a lot of you were saying, oh, the name. Okay, fine. I'm going to be putting the name. So you have to get a gentle cleanser like this one or this one. This one is simple products. Okay, avoid getting any cleanser that contain actives. Okay, by actives I mean any cleanser that contains salicylic acid, benzoic peroxide, any active at all. Just avoid it. Just get a mild cleanser. Okay, when you have done that, then you have to use it to wash your face. You can just, this one is for sale, so I'm not going to be pressing it. You can use 2 or 3 pumps and use it to wash your face very well. Like, get in there, get every corners of your face very well for like 60 seconds. Okay, when you're done, you know, washing your face, when you're sure that you have done that, you've given your face a very good cleanse, then you now have to dry your face. Don't use towel, don't use paper towel. Okay, let your face dry and leave it for like 2 hours. Did you hear me? 2 hours. Some people will tell you, okay, 6 seconds, 60 seconds. Some people will tell you 30 minutes, but me, I prefer to leave it for like 2 hours. That's when you now determine whether you have oily face or any kind of face. Okay, so after 2 hours, okay, and you notice that your skin is very dry, it is very flaky, you know, you can feel that tightness on your face. Okay, that means you have a dry skin. Okay, so if you also now notice that you have oil on your face, like when you touch your face like this, you see oil on it, you know, it happens a lot. That means you have oily face. Remember that you didn't apply anything at all. That's why you are feeling the oil. So when you're feeling that oiliness on your face, that means you have oily face. Okay, so here is called the T-zone. When you think that you feel oily all over here and all here are just normal, that means you have a combination skin. But when you don't feel anything, you feel normal, like you can even mistake yourself like someone that have applied some products, probably just normal. You're not feeling oiliness on your face, you don't feel any dryness just there, that means you have a normal skin. People like, course, that's how you know the kind of skin you have. So it is important to know your skin type. It's going to help you buy the products that is for your skin type. If you do not know your skin type, that means you are going to be buying the wrong product. So it is important that you know your skin type. That's why I said let me come and, you know, tell you, just in case you do not know, that it is important to know your skin type. That's why sometimes when you see some people, they buy some skincare product that is not for their skin type, and of course it's not going to work for them. Do you understand? So if you enjoyed this video, if you have learned anything, if you have any question for me, put it in the comment section. On the screen is my Instagram handle. If you need any consultation, like if you have any skin challenge, if you have any skin concern, come to my DM on Instagram, let's talk about it. And also, some people that used to say, oh, they like my skin, I've been using one product for the longest time. I don't even know, I don't know how to say it, but I think for the longest time I've been so consistent. I think that's one thing that helped my skin to at least be even, if that's what I would say. My skin is not perfect, don't get me wrong, but I'm okay with what I have going on. Okay, I'll catch you guys in my next video.